VTSV Auto, how y'all guys doing, man? I'm showing y'all some fresh off the press footage of this 73 convertible for my guy, Professor Yahweh. If you see what I'm showing you now, it's pretty much, shout out my guy Dylan in the back helping us out, new VTSV Auto, man. Y'all don't forget about that, we growing. But yeah, man, it's typically the same thing. If you see the areas, a lot of surface rust. The benefit of doing a full quarter is the fact that you have access. You know, Dill took out all the glass, both sides. We know we're doing that quarter as well. We already knew we had an issue down by the wheel well once we was filling it because we didn't feel any lip. Normally the wheel well has a lip, which is what the quarter panel welds to here. All of that's got ate up, but you see they just replaced it with Bondo. So the same thing we did to Alabama's and C-Notes quarters, we have to remake that factory lip. We had a benefit to the other ones, we had an old piece, but to this one we don't. So now we have to put the quarter on and make it to the quarter. So same thing, reverse the process, everything could be done, but y'all stay tuned, man. Once again, we got some new dope coming your way. VTSV Auto, let's go.
You see?
Yeah.
So right now, look.
All the pinholes.
Yeah, pinholes.
So this is the original floor though?
Yeah, that's the original floor, yeah. That's a rod out too, you know, with this brace. Look here, everything, the same thing here.
So those pinholes the way you could just spot them in, or you gonna have to cut a piece? I guess we'll have to strip it to kind of get a better idea, huh?
Yeah.
See how they was shaping it down. You see how it goes down. This was a dent that they didn't even repair. They left the dent and filled it in with Bondo. The whole hump up under here. It goes like this. It just filled it in with Bondo. Look how thick it is. VTSV Auto on the job.
Look how. You don't see this, you know. It was covered by the
That's probably right here too.
So the whole thing was, it was not here. That's fiberglass already.
Yep, same. This is probably the same thing right here too.
When they went to down the car and saw all this right out, I told you everything, I mean they were trying to cover all this shit, with the.
There's two more up top, so it's probably all full. Oh, I see. Oh, shit.
That's why they put all that in.
What did they tell you,
They didn't want to
When they look at the car in the bottom, what did they tell you?
You knew the whole thing. The whole thing, cream puff. Shit, all the way up here.
all the way, yeah.
All the way up.
fiberglass floor.
Who say they don't sell dark flow paint? Wow. Nobody will believe us. Nobody will believe us, bro, if we told them this shit. But I'm glad somebody created a video camera. One truck floor pan.
This one doesn't
Two
even
truck
have
floor
that.
pan.
Or it's only one.
Should be right there.
Down some?
Yeah, can you hold like this?
Yep.
Okay. I wanna put this on the panel.
The bottom?
Can you please open the door?
Yep.
Now,
Slide the base up. Perfect, man. Not doing that.
yeah, I'm trying to finish, this little bit rock out here. I already did it. It's already done. Here's another patch right there. It's already done. This has to be just a little bit open, which is I'm working on it right now. That's it. Then we have another patch in the top right here. work. Yeah, right here. Another one behind it.
Mm-hmm.
So then I'm gonna focus on that area, on that corner. You see that corner right there is rotted out. You can, yeah, you can get it from here. You see how rotted out. All this, you know, rotted out. So when I'm done with this area, I'm gonna jump to the back of the quarter panel.
Mm-hmm.
You know, get it done. You know, do some patches, clean it. That's it. Then we'll be almost done just to fit the quarter panel and, you know, start to pack it.
Nice.
Make it look good. Yeah.